Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Cifuentes. I live in Bogota City. I am a civil engineer and I am 23 years old. I'm going to question a few questions about myself. And let's go. The first question is, when were you born? I was born on March 31st, 1997. The second question is, where were you born? I was born in Bogota City. Next question is, what was your first school? My first school was Maravilloso Mundo de los Niños. It was in Tunal San Carlos, in Bogota. The next question is, when did you start school? I started school in 2001. In this moment, I was 4 years old. The next question is, when did you finish school? I finished school in 2013 and I was 16 years old. The next question is, what was your first job? My first job was salesman and I worked in a big supermarket. The next question is, what did you want to be when you were 8 years old? When I was 8 years old, I want to be an astronaut. The next question is, what was your favorite toy when you were a child? My favorite toy when I was a child was a fighter plane my parents gave me. The next question is, where did you live when you were 10 years old? When I was 10 years, I live in Tunjuelito. The next question is, what did you do on your last vacation? On my last vacation, I went to Mexico City and I visited historical places, I went shopping, and I spent time with my family. The next question is, what did you do on the weekend? On the weekend, I did homeworks, I was with my family, and I bought a new cell phone. The next question is, what was the most important event in your life last year? The most important event last year was when I got my first job as an engineer. Okay, thank you everyone, and bye bye.